What is the ranking of India in the world in terms of area? Answer is option B, 7th. Friends, India has a total area of 3.29 million square kilometers, making it the seventh largest country in the world by area. India is the second most populous country in the world with a population of over 1.3 billion people. India's total area accounts for about what percent of the total geographical area of the world? Answer is option A, 2.4. India's latitudinal range ranges from blank north to blank north. Answer is option A, 8 degree 4 minute, 37 degree 6 minute. Friends, the Indian mainland extends between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes, and from 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. The latitudinal and the north-south extent is 3214 km and the east-west extent is 2933 km. Total number of longitudes are, answer is option B, 360. Friends, if you understand in detail, lines of longitude, also called meridians, are imaginary lines that divide the earth. They run north to south from pole to pole, but they measure the distance east or west. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states of India? Answer is option D, 8. Friends, the latitude approximately 23 degree 27 minute north of the terrestrial equator is called Tropic of Cancer. There are 17 countries including Taiwan through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. The 8 Indian states through which Tropic of Cancer passes through are Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Tripura, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Mizoram, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. Which of the following latitude divides India into two equal halfways? Answer is option D, 23 degree 30 minute north. Name the westernmost point of India. Answer is option A, Guhar Moti. Friends, Guhar Moti is the westernmost point of India. It is a small village located in the Kutch district of Gujarat. The northernmost point of India is located in the eastern Karakoram range in the Himalayas near Indira called Siachen Glacier. The easternmost point is Kibithu in Arunachal Pradesh. Indian Standard Time is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time by, answer is option D, 5 hours and 30 minutes. Friends, Indian Standard Time means IST is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east is treated as the standard meridian, which we all know as Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time is calculated on the basis of 82.5 degree longitude. Indian Standard Time is used in India and Sri Lanka. Indian Standard Time was established in India in 1947. The southernmost point of India is, answer is option C, Indira Point. Friends, the southernmost point of a country is Indira Point, Nicobar Island, which is located at 6 degree 4 minute north latitude. Indira Point is located in Campbell Bay on Great Nicobar Island, the southernmost point in India, and is about 150 km from Sumatra, Indonesia. Indira Point, formerly known as Pygmalion Point and Parsons Point, which is the only district in India whose border touches 4 states. Answer is option A, Sonbhadra. When did the Union Territories of Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli become a single Union Territory? Answer is option A, 26 January 2020. Friends, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu are now a single Union Territory. The merger of these two UTs takes place by the Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu Merger of Union Territories Bill 2019. This bill was passed by the Lok Sabha on November 27, 2019 and by Rajya Sabha on December 3, 2019. The Indian Standard Meridian passes through 5 states. Which of these states is not among the 5? Answer is option C, Bihar. Friends, if you understand in detail the 5 states in India through which the Indian Standard Meridian 82.5 minute east passes are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Arrange the following Himalayan ranges from north to south. Answer is option D, 2143 means Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar and Pir Panjal. In which among the following states does Tropic of Cancer and Standard Time Meridian of India meet? Answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. India's coastline measures. Answer is option C, 7,516.6 kilometers. Which states of India have a common border with Myanmar? Answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. What is the India's rank in the world population as of 2022? Answer is option B, second. Assam is surrounded by how many states and union territories? Answer is option C, 7. Friends, 7 states of India surround the Assam state border. Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram surround Assam on the south, Arunachal Pradesh on the north and east, Nagaland and Manipur on the east, and West Bengal on the west. 2 countries share a border with Assam. Assam state is bordered by Bhutan and Bangladesh. The name of which island of Andaman Nicobar Island Group is kept Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island? Answer is option C, Ross Island. Friends, on 30 December 2018, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that Ross Island was renamed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island. India is separated from Sri Lanka by blank. Answer is option D, Pak Strait. Friends, the strait that separates India and its neighbor Sri Lanka is the Pak Strait. It is situated between Tamil Nadu and the Mannar district in Sri Lanka. In India, it is bounded by Pamban Island in the south and Mannar Island in Sri Lanka.